Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I just received something in the mail today. I'm going to do a little unboxing video and maybe plug it in and see how it works. This is the new Roland Boutique JU-06A synthesizer and I'm really excited. So let's get started. So the JU-06A combines the Juno 60 and the Juno 106 in one synthesizer. This is pretty interesting. Let's open this box. Wow, what a beauty. Here. Looks like this. Let's see what else is in the box. So now I'm going to plug this in, and I do have this K25M keyboard that works with the boutiques. So I'm going to connect this now. I'm going to connect this now with my mixer and power it up via USB. You can also use batteries, but I'm going to use the USB port and plug it into my mixer. And now let's power it on. Light is on. Let's listen how it sounds. Pick a bank. Let's check out the sequencer. Actually pretty nice. Let's see what else we have here. It's a wrap for the unboxing video. I'm going to play a little bit more with this and see what else it has in store. I'm planning another video where I'm going to connect this one with the older model so we can actually play 8 voices instead of just 4 and to see how that sounds. But I have to, of course, do some research first of how that works. I hope you liked this short unboxing and little play around video. If you did, please click on the like button and please subscribe to my channel. I promise there will be more content soon. For now, goodbye.